See me see every time I want to do. Tell me in the time when you gotta go. Yeah. See my gypsy girl.
Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another video. It's me again, Jess the Dragoness. So today's video is all about a new synthetic wig that was sent to me by Chade Fashions. So thank you so much, Chade Fashions, for sending over this unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright you guys, before we get started, you know what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, and yeah. So today's wig is Magic Lace. It is an HD 360 lace wig, and this wig's claim to fame is that it has HD 360 lace. It does have a deep part, so it looks like it is just a lace deep part here. So it looks like the hairline has the really good like pre-plucked hairline, and it just has the middle part for the lace, but it does have 360 lace all around, which is really nice. So this one is the Skin Melt Invisible HD Lace Wig. This one is in their FF Sugar Blonde, and let's see, what's the style? So the style is HD 360N, and this is in the HD 360 lace wig New Deep. So that's the style, New Deep. And let's go ahead and pull her out the box. I am very intrigued by all these new HD lace wigs. I have tried a few of them. Let me not say a few. I have tried one of them. I tried the Bobby Boss one. So this is my second synthetic lace HD lace synthetic wig, and when I tell you guys, these synthetic wigs have really stepped up their game. They are not playing, like they are coming for your neck, so make sure you are ready, okay? Let's take a look at this cap construction. So like I thought, it does have the lace parting. So this is not a lace frontal, it is a lace parting, but it does have the natural parting, and it also has the pre-plucked hairline. So you can see that the hairline is pre-plucked. It does have a lot of good space here in the front. It looks like it does have baby hairs. So the color is really pretty. The waves are super cute. This is reminding me of Sundance. I don't know why, but this is definitely reminding me of one of the wigs that I absolutely loved, which was Sundance. I love the color placement on this unit. Let's take a look at the rest of the cap construction. You do have 2 combs on this side. You do have 1 comb in the back and your adjustable straps. And this is a full stocking cap unit, which I really like the stocking cap construction. It's really nice. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, and let's take a look at the 360, what this 360 is all about. Okay, so we definitely do have the 360 all the way around, and this lace is super soft and super stretchy. I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off all the lace. I am going to add my lace tint spray. Even though it is the Skin Melt, I still am going to add my lace tint spray. And right now I'm using the wig extensions in the color Golden. Actually, I'm out of Golden, so I may have to switch to Mocha. So that's what I'm going to be using for the lace tint. If you guys like this wig that I'm rocking, I do have a review up on this wig, so I will link it up here so you guys can click back and check out this wig review. But make sure you finish watching this one first. And if you guys like my choker, do you guys like it? Seriously, can you get into this chain right now? Like, it's everything. It does have matching earrings. I'm not wearing the matching earrings right now, but it does have matching earrings. This is available on my website, JessTheDragoness.com. I will leave a link down below in the description if you want to check out this jewelry, and I do have it on sale right now. So if you want to catch a good sale, then definitely go check it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on. Okay, you guys, so this is the unit on. This color is so pretty. I love this color. So what I'm gonna do now is style the baby hairs. It does come with baby hairs, and the lace on this one, you guys, is really, really nice. It's really, really pretty. So I'm going to take out a couple more baby hairs. Well, these are regular hairs, but I'm gonna turn them into baby hairs so that you guys can really see this hairline. I love how these new wigs are just so bomb with this skin melt technology, this skin melt lace on synthetic wigs. Like, this is something so new, and I love trying it out. Like, it's so bomb to be able to, you know, for people who don't necessarily always want to buy a human hair lace front, to be able to get it in these wigs. Like, look at that parting space. That is amazing. Like, the parting space just blends so perfectly. I'm gonna also turn on my curlers so that I can get the hair to lay perfectly. So I'm gonna turn my curlers on. And I'm gonna go ahead and lay the baby hairs. So as you can see, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It has that new Skin Melt HD lace, and it is in a center part, but obviously you can shift the part to either side and wear it as a side part as well. This unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. Now, if you have not tried an HD lace wig and you want an affordable option, make sure you check out Chade Fashions. This one is in their deep, which one is this one? A new deep wave, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. This color is really, really stunning. I love it. I absolutely love it. So if you guys are in the market to try out a Skin Melt HD lace wig, make sure you check out Chade Fashions. I will leave a link down below where you can go ahead and grab this wig. Make sure you guys also check out my website for the jewelry, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But before you go, make sure you hit that share button. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share it with your mama. Okay, share this video with your mother. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.